Today we are going to demonstrate how to perform maintenance on a CivaControl air system. Let's begin by removing the control knobs using a wrench to loosen the bolts. Once the knobs have been removed, unscrew the nuts holding the control block to the panel. In order to remove the O-ring spools, you must first remove the screws using an Allen wrench. After the screws have been removed, slowly lift the O-ring spool from the housing. Note that the replacement O-ring spool seals are clear and will replace existing spool with the black seals. Thoroughly clean and lubricate the bore and O-ring spool. Gently insert the O-ring spool into the bore. Apply Loctite to the screws, then reinstall. Ensure equal torque is applied to each screw. Install control block to panel. Using Loctite, tighten nuts to securely fasten control block to the panel. Reattach the knobs to the control block, making sure they are in the correct numerical sequence. To learn more about the CivaControl air system, visit www.civacon.com.